Hi there! I want to share with you my favorite tea subscription box. Every month this arrives in my mailbox and I am in love. The details are enchanting. I mean, look at the inside of this box. Even the ingredients labels are adorable. So this is October's box. I have got apricot tart, farmer's market kettle corn, and Cinnaroy Munboss. Oh, that is such a cute name. I think I'll go with farmer's market kettle corn. That smells amazing. So let's see what they say about it. Experience the yumminess of a favorite farmer's market find situated perfectly in this collection of high-grown Ceylon black teas. Pop this toasty goodness into your teacup where you can enjoy it without the calories. Okay, I'll pop that into my teacup. Ooh, yeah, I can taste the toastiness. This will definitely keep me going today. I'm excited to taste those other two flavors. Be sure to check out myteabox.ca and sign up to receive your own box of luxury teas.